In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer using animations only in PowerPoint. Start on a clean slide and type the numbers you want for your countdown, for example from 10 down to 1. Create each number as its own text box so they're independent. Make the numbers large, bold, and centered for easy visibility. Now stack them perfectly on top of each other so only the top number is visible. A quick tip: use a line center and a line middle on the Home tab to make sure every text box lines up exactly. If snapping feels tricky, zoom in or nudge with your arrow keys for pixel-level precision. With all the numbers in place, it's time to add animations. Select all the text boxes at once. Go to the Animations tab. Choose Add Animation and pick Appear. In the timing options, set Start to After Previous. This tells PowerPoint to move automatically from one animation to the next without you clicking during the slideshow. Next, you'll add disappear animations for those same numbers. Select each number again, use Add Animation, and choose Disappear. Make sure these disappear animations also use Start After Previous. It's important that you use Add Animation rather than replacing the existing one, so each number has both an appear and a disappear in its list. Open the animation pane so you can see and manage the sequence. Set the delay for each appear animation to 1 seconds. That way, each number displays for a second before the next action happens. Keep the disappear animations immediately after their corresponding appear animations, with no extra delay, so the rhythm stays clean. You can leave durations at their defaults. The key is the delay on the appearances. Now fix the order so it alternates correctly. The sequence should read: appear for 10, then disappear for 10, then appear for 9, disappear for 9, and so on, all the way down to 1. If anything is out of place, drag the items in the animation pane to reorder them. Renaming your text boxes in the selection pane can also help you track which is which while you organize. When everything looks right, press F5 to preview the slideshow. Watch the countdown and pay attention to the pacing. If it feels too fast, increase the delay on the appear animation slightly. If it's too slow, reduce it. Repeat the preview until the timing feels just right and you've got a clean, hands-free countdown built entirely with animations.